Welcome to Chowie's Computer Science Java 101. The learning goals for this video are clearing up some common misconceptions, installing Java and IntelliJ, learning the basics of how IntelliJ works, and making your first program. Before we begin, I am going to ask you to not use any form of AI when you are learning. AI is always too helpful. It will always give you the answer and help you more than you want it to. AI might make you feel like you're learning, but if it's doing all the thinking, problem solving, and writing for you, taking AI away will realize you've learned nothing. A Coding Jesus quote that I like is, "Who knew? Artificial intelligence will make your intelligence artificial." AI will also become increasingly less accurate as we move on to more advanced topics. It is better for you to make mistakes and learn from them instead of an AI making mistakes, you getting frustrated and learning nothing. Moving on, let me clear up some common misconceptions. Java was not made by or for Minecraft. Minecraft came into existence in 2010. Java has been around since 1996. Java is not the same thing as JavaScript. Java is primarily for back-end software development and front-end if you include Swing, while JavaScript is primarily for front-end or web development. Now let's get into how to set up Java and your IDE. Let's install Java first so we can run our programs that we write. Go to adoptium.net and click the first download button that appears, then run the installer and follow the instructions. Once you install Java, you'll have to restart your computer for Java to show up in IntelliJ. Next, we need to install IntelliJ so we can write our programs. Go to intellij.com, then click download, then the exe file. Make sure to run the installer, of course. We can then finally start making our first program. Open up IntelliJ and you should see a screen like this. Select New Project, then name the project whatever you want. I am going to name it Java Course. For the build system, select Gradle. With the JDK, select Tamarin 25, which you installed from Adoptium earlier. Make sure to deselect Add Sample Code. Let's familiarize ourselves with the IDE. On the left-hand side, you will see a folder icon. Clicking it shows and hides all of your folders and files. Just a note I want to add, folders are also called directories, and that is what I'm going to be calling them from now on. Just know that they're the same. In the center of the screen, you have your text editor. This is where you will read and write your code. On the right side, you have your notifications. There's of course a lot more features to IntelliJ, but we won't be exploring them today. In main, you should see a Java directory. Right-click the directory and select New Java Compact File. Once you've created the file, you should see void main in your text editor. We aren't quite at the point where I can explain what it means, but all you need to know for now is that this tells Java where the start of our program is. Anything we put inside the curly braces will be executed left to right, top to bottom. Inside the curly braces, we will put io in caps dot println, then parentheses. We will put quotation marks inside the parentheses and say hello world. Note that single quotes will not work. After that, we can put a semicolon after the parentheses, telling Java that we are done with this operation. We can finally click run at the top or the side. Either one works. Inside all of this mess, you can see our text, hello world. You have successfully created your first program. Now, let's analyze it. This prints, not the same as a physical printer, but it displays text on the screen. The text, hello world. This section here, io.println, is a statement that prints the text inside the parentheses as well as adds a new line to the screen. io stands for input/output and println stands for print with new line. If you were to replace it with io.print, it would not print a new line. This means that io.print hello, io.print world, io.println exclamation mark is the same thing as io.println hello world. Don't worry if this is still a bit confusing, it will make more sense in later lessons. My homework for you this lesson is to change what the program says and experiment with using print versus println. In the next lesson, we will talk about comments, semicolons, and formatting.